Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Knock. I am here to show you my saddlebags. These are by VikingBags. These are the Darkin bags. Now, I've always loved the stripped down look of a lowrider S, and that's why I chose to buy one. But after a couple of long rides, I noticed that I was missing storage. I needed to put things away, and I was putting everything into a book bag. It's not happening. It wasn't convenient. It wasn't comfortable. So ended up looking around different companies, and I ended up finding VikingBags. They had one of the best options, cutouts for the taillights where I didn't have to relocate them. They weren't too big, where it didn't give it that bulky look.
They don't look too oversized, and they follow the lines of the lowrider S really well.
All right, so you have a question about how much can actually fit. Let's see what I have here. All right, I have my clear visors. Don't forget to close this up. Extra gloves, some waterless car wash, rags. A lot of people don't seem to like to do it, but I will. Lock it up. And just some basic Allen keys, tools, things I throw in the bag, screwdrivers. And on the other side, just come around. We'll open this up. I have a half-a-gallon water tank, or water bottle. I'll set that down. This is the piece that goes on. I have some summer gloves, which are my mechanics gloves, a face mask, a hoodie, just in case it gets cold at night, and a rain jacket. You never know if it just starts pouring. That all fits both in there. I'm pretty sure we can pack this better, but I just literally squeeze everything in there. And I'll just squeeze it all in. And there you have it. I love these bags really because the convenience of being able to take them off and on. So I mean, it's just boom, hit the switch, wiggle it, and we're off. Close it up, and I'm gonna put it away. And now I have that clean, stripped down look that I like. And we're ready to go. All right, so as simple as this to put it back on. Just gonna go and give it a little wiggle. Take the latch. Make sure it locks in. You hear that clicking noise. And give it a little shake. We're good to go. Close it. And then if you're going far, maybe you just want to lock it, secure it, you're leaving. We're good to go.
They stayed secured while riding, even at highway speeds. I haven't had any issues with them moving around. So if you're looking for saddlebags that keep your lowrider S looking good, but add practical storage, these are definitely worth checking out.